So welcome back. So in the previous sessions, we have discussed how we have implemented a stack using an array. Then also we have seen how we have implemented stack using function, where we only have done using pass by value. Then in the previous session, we have discussed about using a function where we have used the concept of passing by reference, right? So where we have passed the base address of the stack and also the address of the top, right? Now, in this particular session, we will see how we can use stack with the concept of structure. Okay. So what I will going to do here is that I will going to create a structure, yes, of type stack, yeah, and it will have two member function. One is the number which will be storing in the stack, and another is the top value, right? And then after that, what we're going to do, we're going to do the normal function itself, and we'll implement the push and the pop function using that particular stack itself. So let us now define a stack here, right? So what we have done is that we have taken an array of okay, and we have taken a top value. Right now what we're going to do, we're going to bundle up this into a structure. So struct, let me name it as a stack. Okay. So stack will be, we cannot give, so I give stack underscore a. Okay, so I give here int the num. Okay, int top. Okay, and then I declare a structure variable struct, then stack underscore a and stk. Yes. Okay, now initially what I will do is that stk dot top equal to -1. Yes, it is that. So what I have done, I declared a structure. Please look again. I gave the name of the structure as stack underscore a. In I gave two member variable, one for storing the number, another the top value. Okay. And what I have done is that I initialize the top value to -1, and I represent, I create on one uh, structure variable stk, and an stk top equal to -1. Rest is same, so I will be taking value, passing the num. Okay. So again, while one, okay, we have this menu, scanf percentage choice, then we have case one for push, case two pop, case three display, okay, default and null. So in here I have asked the value. Similarly here, I I cannot write top equal to 4. I have to write here, okay, one particular thing, that is what will be the size of the, what will be the maximum size, right? So I have to not create this num. That is something which I have done a mistake, right? So what I need to do, just things one, I will come back. So guys, what mistake I have done, I have only created one particular variable. If I have done that way, that means I have to create an array of stack. Yes, but what I am doing is I'm only creating one particular stack structure which represents the stack. That means this, I need to have nothing but an array. Okay, and I give the size to be none. Okay, so since it is an array, so I will put a underscore num. Okay, yes, that's what. Yes, so now here my str top should be equal to 4, right? So I have to redefine here stk dot top equal to 4. Yes, right? Okay, so I hope this is clear, because we have to create an array. Okay, element, okay, structure, and the top, we have the array. Okay, yes, then array, that structure, okay, variable dot top -1. So you have to see whether it is full or not. Yes, I take the number and I'm passing it to the, okay, push en on. Now here I have to put what, How I have to change it? stk dot top is equal to stk dot top plus 1, right? How do we access the element of a structure? It is using this dot operator, right? Now, here, what will be the line that will come? The strings once, because now I have to go to this, right? I have to do access this, correct? So now my this will be again, what is my pointer? What is my stack variable? stk dot, what will be this? Correct? Yes. Then what will be the value of this stk top? Okay, equal to element. Just checks once whether it is correct or not. Yeah. So with this variable dot top, it will give me the top value. Yes, right. And with this, it will give me nothing but the array. Okay, and this will give me the index and where I am storing this element. Correct. Now let's come to the pop function. Int number. Here it will be what? Simply I will copy this. Okay, right? stk dot a underscore num is equal to stk dot top. Yes, and the pop will number is num. And here I have to write stk dot top equal to stk dot top. Save. Yes. Now let's come to the display function. Same here. It will be stk dot top. If it is -1, no element in the stack. Else stk dot top. Yes. And this will be what? This will be simply stk num. I'm accessing the stack variable and I. Yes, the stack variable, the array, and the index is I. Index is I. This is the top element. Yes, right, which I have initialized as -1. And this is the element of the stack, okay, which I represent using a structure. The structure has an array of size 5 and the top. Okay, so what I have actually done is that I have bundled both the top and the array inside one particular data structure, which is nothing but the structure. Yes, user defined, data type, that is the structure itself. And I have named this as stk underscore a, and I created a variable stk, right? So now whenever I have to access this, the concept in structure is dot operator, right? So dot dot top I have initialized to -1, and stk dot a underscore num will be accessing my array. Then I can put the index value whatever I like. Okay, so let me execute. Doesn't have a type name. So why it is giving me an arrow? Okay, top was not declared. Okay, this would be stk dot top. No problem on that. Any other error? My pop function. Okay, so let me execute. So this is something which I have given an error because I've declared a variable stk. Now stk dot top is giving me an error as it doesn't have a type. Okay, let me check. Okay, so I think what mistake I have done here, which not put it here. Let me check it, put it here, and let me see now. Okay, yes, because we have done the declaration of this, and let me see now. Execute it. Yes. Okay, so now let me start executing it. Okay, 1. Let me push an element 12. Okay, 12 will be pushed into the stack. So 3. Yes. Okay. So next again enter element 45. 45 has been pushed into the stack, so we have 12 and 45. Great. So next again push some element, let's say 56. So we have, sorry, so we have 12, 12, 45 and 56. So let us do pop. So it should be 56. The popped element is 56, correct? So next again popped. The pop element is 45. So we have 12. Again pop. Okay. Popped element is 12 and no element is stack because we have called the display function and nothing is there in the stack. And then again pop, it will say, stack is empty. Let me fill up the stack. Push 1, let me say this is 12, like it push 1, let us say 23, push 1, let us say 34, push 1, let it 45, push 1, let 56. So we have taken now 5 elements in the stack: 12, 23, 34, 45, 56, right? Yes. Now let us try to push an element. It should be said stack is full. Yes, stack is full. Okay, so let me display. So all the elements are displayed. So 56 at the top of the stack, then we have 45, 34, 23, and 12. Yes. So let me exit from the program. So what I have done, I have created a structure. Okay. I gave the name stack. Then I have inside the stack two elements. One is the array with five having size 5 and top. Okay. And then I created a stack variable. Yes. And what I have done is that I have initialized this top equal to -1 here, not here, okay, here itself, right, inside the main function. Yes. So then as usual I have done in the previous the while loop push function and done. Then stk, how to access the element top is dot operator, right? Stk dot top equal to 4 is this is regarding the stack of full. Stk dot top -1 means empty, right? And I have taken an element, I have pushed it in, I created a function and I send the element to the element in the push function. So in the push function, what I've done, stk top equal to stk top plus 1. Okay. Stk dot a dot num, that is how I've accessed the array, and stk dot top, okay, the index itself, and that element I have entered, the element that is pushed is yearly, right? Similarly, stk dot a num, this is how we access the variable of a stack. Sorry, access the element, okay, right? Member element of a stack. This is the stack member element of the structure, sorry. So member element of the structure, okay, I have access, right? Then member element is the array. So this is the structure variable. So structure variable dot a num, and then again the structure variable dot top, okay, will give the top value, right? And then I have print the number, and then I have decremented a stk dot top equal to stk dot top -1. Yes. So only difference is that initially I have declared one stack as an array itself, okay, and top as a different variable. Here I have declared a structure, and we know what is a structure. It will contain different type of elements we can have, right? Yes, we can have an integer, we can have a character, we can have an array and all these things. So I have declared an array inside as one of the structure member and top as one of the variable. Yes, and I declared one, I take one, I'd have taken one stack variable, and then simply I'm accessing the top and the array, and the rest of the thing is the same itself. Okay. So I hope this is clear. So mostly we have done a lot of programs in stack. So stack most probably it should be clear. Yes. So we have mostly the push operation and top operation, right? And later we'll see there are a lot of application that we can have with the stacks. So the concept of stack should be very, very clear, because once the concept of stack is clear, we can easily use the concept of stack in kind of applying in various problems, right? Say, for example, if you want to convert recursive function or non-recursive function, also we can do that, right? Parenthesis, balance of parenthesis, infix operation, all these things we're going to see one after another. Okay. So thank you.